We just got out here, got better, and we just basically came out here and just wanted to play our game, and we just didn't overlook the sake, and we're a good team and they're a very good team, so we just wanted to come out here and get better,